Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted top and bottom teeth grill set. Now this one's a 10 on 10 guys. 10 teeth on top, 10 on bottom. So you're really covering all the visible teeth in your mouth. Looks really nice with 925 solid sterling silver. It's handmade for a perfect custom fit. You can get yours at our website, blingcartel.com. You choose how many teeth you want, top, bottom, or a set. Check that out, guys. It's quality. Well, thank you for watching, guys. 10 on 10, 925 grill set, custom fitted.